Ever felt your RV adventures cut short by dead batteries? Imagine endless power wherever you roam. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll reveal the top 5 best solar panels for RV roofs to keep you fully charged. Stick around for smart picks and check the description links to grab your perfect setup easily. At number 5 is Callsun 200-watt flexible solar panel. Imagine your RV running lights, fridge, and devices endlessly, while others struggle at campgrounds with dead batteries and noisy generators. That frustration disappears when flexible rooftop solar changes everything for modern road travelers. Among the top options for RV roof solar setups, a lightweight bendable panel stands out for real-world freedom. One standout is Callsun 200-watt flexible solar panel designed for curved surfaces like RV roofs and boats. It bends up to 240 degrees, installs flush at just 0.1 inch, and stays ultra-lightweight for stealth camping. With ETFE protection and around 1 kilowatt-hours daily output in ideal sunlight, it supports off-grid RV life efficiently. Unlike rigid glass panels that are heavier and harder to mount, it trades a bit of durability for flexibility and easy installation. Ideal for RV owners, van lifers, and weekend travelers seeking reliable solar power without bulky hardware on the roof. It quietly transforms travel energy independence into a stress-free experience every day. At number 4 is BougeRV 24V N-Type Solar Panel. A silent energy upgrade is changing how RV travelers survive off-grid nights without anxiety or generator noise. Most solar setups struggle with weak efficiency, shading losses, and bulky wiring that makes roof installation a headache for RV owners. This is where BougeRV 24V N-Type solar panel steps into the conversation within the top 5 best solar panels for RV roofs category. Built on advanced N-type solar cell technology with up to 25% conversion efficiency, it captures more sunlight even in low-light conditions. The bifacial design is a game-changer, absorbing reflected and diffused light from both sides, something older P-type panels like standard rigid RV kits cannot match. Its compact, high-density layout with 16 BB cell design improves current flow and durability, making it ideal for long road journeys. Perfect for RV owners, boat travelers, and off-grid explorers who need reliable 12-volt or 24-volt charging without complex series wiring. Downsides include higher upfront cost and slightly more technical specs for beginners. Still, for long-term energy independence on the road, it delivers confidence that keeps your journey powered without interruption. On number 3 is eco-worthy high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel. Power failure on the road can turn a dream RV trip into frustration than expected. When your roof solar cannot keep up with real off-grid demands, this is where eco-worthy high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel enters the conversation among serious RV users searching for reliable energy in demanding travel conditions instead of struggling with inconsistent output like older flexible kits. This monocrystalline RV solar panel delivers steady conversion efficiency that supports batteries and essential appliances. It fits well into RV roof solar panel setups and is ideal for campers, van lifers, and weekend travelers who prioritize delivering consistent power for those seeking quiet energy independence on every journey. Overall value. At number 2 is Renogy N-Type 200-watt solar panel. Most RV travelers never realize their energy problems start with weak rooftop solar until the lights fade in the middle of nowhere. That frustration disappears when a high-efficiency monocrystalline upgrade like Renogy N-Type 200-watt solar panel enters the RV roof solar panel conversation, delivering stable charging for off-grid systems. It solves common issues like shading loss, weak current flow, and inconsistent output that many portable RV solar panel kits struggle with during long travel days. Ideal for RV owners, van lifers, and campers who want dependable energy without complex wiring or oversized setups on the roof. Compared with flexible lightweight options like eco-worthy monocrystalline RV panels, Renogy delivers stronger long-term consistency, though, at a slightly higher investment and heavier rigid structure. Pros include reliable efficiency, solid build quality, and better performance in partial shade, while cons involve less flexibility for curved RV roofs and more rigid installation requirements. Power stability transforms every journey into true freedom. Now moving to the last one is Callsun Bifacial Solar Panel. A hidden advantage most RV owners overlook is that solar power doesn't only come from direct sunlight, but from every surface reflection around the vehicle. That's where Callsun Bifacial Solar Panel completely shifts expectations in RV roof solar panel setups, turning wasted light into usable energy. In real off-grid travel, standard RV solar panels often lose efficiency when shading, angle, or weather conditions reduce direct exposure, creating frustration for long-distance campers and van life explorers. This bifacial design solves that by capturing sunlight from both sides, boosting total energy harvest even on cloudy ground or reflective surfaces. It fits perfectly into modern RV solar systems for travelers who want smarter energy output without increasing roof clutter. Compared with traditional monocrystalline panels like Renogy N-Type 200-watt solar panel, it offers higher energy gain potential but requires better mounting positioning to unlock full performance. Ideal for RV owners, boat users, and outdoor adventurers seeking more output from limited roof space. Slight drawback includes dependency on reflective environments, yet the added efficiency often outweighs it. Every mile feels more powered, more independent, and far less dependent on campground hookups. Overall, freedom on wheels feels redefined. The winner is the Renogy 200-watt monocrystalline rigid solar panel for RV roofs because it offers the best balance of power, durability, and long-term reliability. It performs efficiently even in hot weather, which is perfect for travel and camping conditions. Unlike flexible panels, it is built with a sturdy frame that lasts for years with minimal performance loss. It is also highly compatible with most RV systems, making installation simple. Overall, it gives you dependable off-grid energy without constant worries. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best solar panels for RV roofs. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.